Hey, it's Randy from Happy Maple Nursery. We're just prepping some trees real quick, and I thought I'd grab a second to get a video here and show you how to handle or identify and handle a girdling root. So these are peaches, and you can see we have our roots here. They come in bare root. You can see that there's a root right here that's come around and comes down over here. So it looks like it originates somewhere from over here. Hopefully you can see that well. And so as this tree grows and this root continues to gain vigor, this could actually cut off and kill this sap flow to this part of the tree. If it continued on, it could actually cause more problems, actually maybe even kill the tree in the future. So what we're going to do now, so we have these in the bare root, is we're actually going to remove it. Actually, we're going to get rid of some of these crossing roots here too, because they could also cut off some sap flow here. So, looking for my tools, but we'll use suckers. That doesn't take anything too fancy. And so we're basically going to remove this entire root. Just like that. And you can see that this root, actually there's another broken root, this root was actually right on top of this other one and would have started to fuse with it. So it actually would have caused damage to this side of the tree, as well as potentially that root. So, good riddance. And at the same time, we're going to remove, there's another root here that's just crossing really tight with the root ball. Not so good. These are often symptoms of being grown in a very small space. So that's what we're looking at. I'm going to remove these as well, just because they are cutting across the tree. Here we go. So let's just go clean that up with our concave cutters. We'll chase those down there here somewhere. And that's it. So just a quick video at you to show you to look for girdling roots. You can see all the rest are growing out nice and radially or down. That's perfect. Alright, take care.